An electric circuit is made up of different parts which are all connected together. An electric current can pass through a circuit that is closed. Generators supply the electricity. Conductors are metal wires which are all connected together. Are metal wires such as copper that let the electric current can pass through a circuit. Electrical components transform electricity into other form of energy. If the electrical component is a light bulb, electricity is transformed into light energy. Switches open and close the electric circuit. If the circuit is closed, if the switch is closed, the circuit is closed. This means that the electric current can pass through a circuit. If the switch is open, the circuit is not complete, so the electric current cannot pass through a circuit.
Okay, good job, Pedro. Thank you.